Hi guys, let's unpack this McDo X SB19 photo cards. Actually, I got this in advance during the SB19 X McDo fan meeting. Na-invite kasi ako doon as media and lahat kami ng media is nabigyan nito. And we were told not to unpack it and reveal it to the public not until September 19 kasi yung design ata is i-reveal September 19. So, since it's September 19 na yun, so it's about time to unpack this. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung design ng McDo X SB19 photo card, pero binigyan kami ng 6 pieces. I don't know kung tagi-isang member to plus 1 group photo or could be pwedeng duplicate. Kasi yung binigay ito sa amin, talagang ganito na siya. Unpack na natin to! Pero guys, habang ina-unpack ko to, gusto ko siya lagyan ng twist. Like for an example, the first member to appear will be my best friend, my boyfriend, friendzone ako, BFF ko, something ganon. Ito na, i-unpack ko na siya. Na-excite ako, oh my God. Ito yung design ng pack. Ayan siya. And ito yung likod. So, igaganyan ko siya. So, first, kung sino man yung nandito, siya yung nag-friendzone sa akin. Sino kaya to? Oh my God. Wait, I'll get scissors. Eto na, may gunting na tayo. Okay. Kayo muna, hindi ko pa siya nakita. So, ito yung SB19 member na nag-friendzone sa akin. 1, 2, 3. Si Pablo! Friendzone ako ni Pablo, guys. Oh my God. Ito yung design niya. Pablo. Next, ito yung SB19 member na best friend ko. 2, 3. Oh! Bias ko, best friend ko. Anong kwento natin? Si Ken. Ito yung design ni Ken. Next is, ito yung SB19 member na nagka-crush sa akin pero hindi niya maamin. Hey! Si Josh. Bias wrecker ko. 2 member na lang. So, isa dito, SB19 member na nanligaw sa akin pero binasted ko. Tsaka, yung naging endgame ko. Ay, dilulu! Pero unahin muna natin yung SB19 member na nanligaw sa akin pero binasted ko. So, lahat silang nanligaw. Binasted ko kayong lahat. Charis! Pero ito yung group photo niya. Okay, so meron pa tayong dalawa, si Stella lang to tsaka si Justin. Pero going back to the question, ito yung SB19 member na nanligaw sa akin pero binasted ko. Sorry. Ja! Si Ja! Ja! Joke lang yun! So, therefore, ang magiging boyfriend ko, endgame ko, si... May katawan na daddy. Ito yung photo card ni Stella. Ganda! So, here are the photo cards, guys. Actually, when it comes to texture, matte finish siya and then parang made of paper talaga yung photo card. Tapos yung mga picture and pangalan niya, glossy. Ayan. And then, one thing I noticed, kada likod ng photo card, merong message. For Stel, ang message niya dito, 18 to, syempre love ko to. Salamat 18, forever grateful kasi parami na tayo sa pamilyang ito. Next is kay Justin naman, yung message niya sa likod, atin to, amin kayo, kami ay sa inyo, parami na tayo, bow. Thank you 18. Very Justin, may pabaw. Next. Ito naman kay Josh, ang message naman ni Josh, through thick and thin, we've been together. Ngayon, parami na tayo. All thanks to you, 18. Love you all. Aww. Kay Ken, atin to 18. You guys mean the world to us. Daghang salamat, gigugma ko kamutanan. Ang kay Pablo naman, as our family gets bigger, we'll never stop thanking those who continue to believe in us. Thank you, 18. Atin to. Let's go. Sa group photo naman, ayan. Ang message lang dito is, thank you, 18. Your support means everything to us. Kita-kits tayo sa McDo, atin to. SC19. So far naman, habang binabasa ko yung mga messages, talagang nag-stand out sa akin. Kay Buja, atin to, amin kayo. Kami ay sa inyo. Parami na tayo. Bow. Thank you. Kasi parang patula pala siya. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Aliw, very Justin, very creative, very witty. Yun. And that's our unpacking video of this McDo X SB19 photo cards. Share nyo naman sa akin kung ano yung unang photo card na na-pull nyo. I would love to read them in the comments.